What up, guys? How's it going? It's your boy Gary. So, guys, I don't know if you remember, I bought this. Well, I bought two of them. These 5 packs from Temu. I think that's where I got them from. And as you guys can see, let's take one out. Let's see. Take this one out. So as you guys can see, all of the wheels are like this. So what we're going to do, we are going to do a wheel swap. So I hope you guys like it. Let's do this. Let's do the before. So overall, guys, this is a nice looking car. I mean, it's not the best, but as far as looks, yeah, it could do with some improvement. Okay, that's like, for instance, the rear end. It kind of sucks, but hey, it is what it is. But what do you think what it would look like if we did a wheel swap on it, negating all the other stuff on here? But let's see if a wheel swap can change it a little bit and make it look pretty. Cause I think it will work. What do you guys think? Or am I just wasting my time? All right, let's do the change. Okay, guys, what do you think? Does it make it look a lot better? So guys, that is my wheel swap on this no-name brand. I don't know what model car. It kind of reminds me of a Beamer. But yeah. So here's the original wheels that came with it. And there are the new ones. So guys, as always, you know what to do. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. Leave a comment and tell me what you think about the wheel swap. And as always, guys, make sure the notification is on. That way you know I uploaded another video. And I would appreciate if you took a moment or two to check us out. Alright guys, I'm out. Deuces. Bye now.